for joining us and welcome to Cabin Bluff. This property has long been the playground of outdoorsmen, a premier hunting destination. We're happy that you're here to continue that tradition with us today. Stay here at Cabin Bluff to be the very best. Have a safe and successful hunt.